What's up, everybody? Welcome to MyDunnLife. It's where I take you and my adventures on two wheels or four. Today we're talking about a two-wheel adventure, sorta. We're talking about parts for the bike. My last video you would have seen, I installed the Eagle Lights turn signals on the front of a Harley, my 2011 Ultra CVO. And today we're going to put in the resistor pack. The resistor pack keeps you from the hyperflash that we all get when we upgrade to LED turn signals on these modern bikes, or even some of the older ones. So this is available through their website or I believe on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description. I want to thank Mr. McStache, who's been working with Eagle Lights this season and got a little discount on these. I'll put his discount code in the description down below, so you can get some for yourself at just a little bit cheaper price. Saving money is always a good thing. So basically it's a box unit. It is a T-harness, and essentially what you need is this wiring harness right here. This is the one that goes back in through the fender up to the tail lights. So we just need to unplug this, and then we just plug it in. It's hard to do with one hand. I think I was a amateur at this, you know. So just plugging it in. Can't get it in the hole. Helps if you're not putting it in upside down. And looks like the pins might be slightly bent. So the instructions do mention if any of the pins appear to not line up, to go in and slightly adjust them. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll come back when I'm done. Alright, so just took a screwdriver, pushed on the tabs a little bit, went right on in. Now we're going to bring this over. Make sure we got it lined up. That might have been my fault where I tried to put it in backwards initially. Beep. And then we'll put this back in its holder. Oh, come on. There we go. Tuck this under here, and I am actually going to route this under here, and I'm actually just going to leave it right there. Might put some Velcro on it here just to stick it on top of the ECU, but we'll see how that goes. Well, let's see what happens. Turn on the lights. Shiny, shiny, shiny chrome. Now it says we might have to program it. We'll see. Well, hot damn. Normally this would be hyper flashing by now. So we're gonna hit the other side, just make sure that's working properly. There we are. It's that simple, guys. So hit up Eagle Lights, eaglelights.com, or on their Amazon page. Again, though, if you go through their website and you use the code down below for Mr. McStache, you'll get a discount on your purchase, at least until that code is no longer valid. So hope everybody has a great day, has a great week. We'll catch you in the next video.